Poulan 4620. How to fix the carb in only 4 working days. You got the steel gasket there, I suppose you'd call it, or heat shield. Up here you've got gasket. Your fuel line loops over the top. In here you've got the blue choke lever and your thread on the throttle linkage. Through there, pop it through. Make sure you keep the fuel line on over the top and don't pinch the fuel line. Put that in there, choke on this plate here, slide that in sideways, put 2 bolts in there. This throttle lever underneath this black plate is a bit tricky too. Winds around. No need to disassemble this. Just make sure you don't pinch your fuel line. Hope this helps somebody.